Hi friends, welcome to the Happiest Most Magical channel. My name is Lynn and thank you for clicking on this video. I am headed to Seattle with my girlfriends tomorrow night and I'm so excited to do some exploring with them and also eat lots of yummy food. We're gonna do all of the touristy things like Chihuly Garden, Space Needle, Pike's Marketplace, all of those fun things, and like I said, I'm really excited to eat lots of yummy food. This girl has missed Jollibee chicken and pies for so long. So in today's video, I am going to share with you what I pack in my everyday travel explorer bag. My favorite travel bag to use is the Dakota by Dagne Dover. This is in size small, so I'm going to share with you all of the features of this bag and also share what I pack in it. So if that's something you'd like to see, keep on watching. Alright, so here is a small Dakota backpack by Dagne Dover. This is in the color Storm. It's a beautiful deep navy blue color. This bag is made out of heavy duty neoprene. It feels very high quality and premium. I love that the straps on this bag are really nice and thick, so it's very comfortable to wear all day. This is actually a bag that I used at Walt Disney World this past January. I used it on the majority of my trip and my back never ached or hurt with this on, so I highly recommend it. I think it's very thoughtfully designed. So some of my favorite features are the two side pockets and the two zippered side pockets. So there's one on each side. It's pretty deep in there. You can fit your whole hand in there. And like I said, it's on both of the sides. All right, so let's take a closer look at the bag. There's nothing in here right now. So as you can see, it's pretty sturdy. It stands on its own just fine. Alright, so let me show you what I'm packing in my bag. I decided that I wanted to pack lightly for this trip, so I'm not bringing my big vlogging cameras. I am just going to rely on my phone to do a lot of the work and also my GoPro Hero 8. So this is a beast. I used to have like a GoPro Hero 3 camera and I got this last year and it's one of my favorite vlogging cameras. It's really small and compact, and I think it does an excellent job vlogging. So here is my GoPro Hero 8. I have the shorty extension, so I can extend it 4 inches, and then it can also be a tripod. So an excellent camera if you're looking for an action camera or a starter vlogging camera. And of course I need to bring some batteries for the GoPro. I'm bringing 2 backups. I'm also bringing a packable bag. So this is a packable tote by Baguio. And I'm just going to open it up really quick. It's a really good size, perfect for traveling. I also use this at home. So if I'm going to the store really quick, I already have it in my purse. So it's a pretty good size. It's like a t-shirt bag. And I think I got this from Nordstrom, so I think it was like 12 bucks. I'm bringing a backup battery. This is an essential for traveling to make sure that your phone is juiced up. I really like this one because it has 2 different ports. It has the micro USB on one end and of course an iPhone on the other end. This one has 7,500 milliamps, so I should be able to charge my phone up to 2 times with it. Sean got this for me for Christmas about 5 or 6 years ago and it is still going strong. So I totally recommend this. If I can find the details on it, I will link it down below for you guys. You gotta stay hydrated while you're exploring new places, and my bottle of choice for this trip is this 32-ounce bottle by Dakota, and I ordered this from Target. It's a beautiful blush pink. So in this pill case, I have Pepto-Bismol, ibuprofen, and non-drowsy Dramamine because unfortunately your girl gets motion sickness, so I have to remember to take it before I head up the Space Needle and check out the Great Wheel. I've got some chapstick, I have an emergency pick-me-up just in case I'm not near any caffeine. So here is my extra strength energy shot. I have some lotion, so this is fragrance free that I got from Bath and Body Works. And I also have fragrance free antibacterial spray, which I also got from Bath and Body Works. So even though I have this hand spray, I am also bringing some wet ones because if I'm eating something sticky, it's really convenient to be able to wipe my hands off. I just need to pack some face masks, of course, a little package of tissue, and maybe some gum, and then I am good to go. Alright you guys, we are nearing the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I can't wait to share some Seattle videos with you guys once I get back. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again real soon.